Hey everyone, welcome to a quick Game Maker tutorial today. This is based off a request that I got on the Facebook page asking about views and how you can keep the player on the left side of the view while you scroll to the right. As you can see on the screen here, I've got my beautiful background set up and a nice green circle for the player. As you can see, I went into a lot of effort with the graphics, so please not too much negativity, although I doubt you'd be able to give negativity on that anyway because the graphics are really just that great. Okay, so on to the tutorial. Alright, so as you can see, I've got a player, I've got a room. Room settings is width 2000, that's just so that we can move to the right and get out of view views. Alright, so enable the use of views and visible when room starts. The size of the view is default 640 by 480. I don't need the object following, that was my bad, and that's it for the views. Okay, so what we're going to do is move the view according to the player position, and we're going to do this using GML code, which is really simple. Okay, so with that done, we have our object player. Alright, so in the create event we have view follow distance equals 64. Now yes, it's a long variable name, but it's nice and to the point, so it's easier to know exactly what's going on in your code. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is using this variable to tell our game how far we want our player from the left side of the room, before it starts moving. Okay, so yeah, that's what that's doing, and then having a variable for it just allows you to change it easier later on. Okay, in the step event is where the magic happens. Alright, so keyboard check VK space x plus equals 10. That's just so that we can move our object to the right and test this. Okay, this is what moves the view. View x view 0 in between the braces, so that's the value of the view. So you've got, I think, up to like 8 views. I think, can't really remember. But yeah, we're just using the first view. Alright, so view x view 0 equals object player.x. So we start off by setting it to our player's x value, and then we minus the follow distance from that value. And that's it. So if our player value was 64, then the view x would be 0. And yeah. So yeah, you're literally just taking away the distance from the player's x and setting the view x value to that as the game runs. But yeah, with that code, if you just run your game, if it's a sec to load, alright, so just hold down space, and as you can see, as the player moves, the view moves with it, and the player doesn't move away from the left side of the screen. Okay, so to that person, can't remember your name, I hope this has helped you out. Anyone else that has watched this, I hope this has helped you too. I'll see you in the next tutorial.